Om Aim Hrim Shrim Shrimatre Namaha. Wishing all of you Lord Shiva's Mahashivaratri Prasad. We are providing an important mantra to add in your today's puja. The initial mantra we are providing for those who are already practicing Srividya Panchadasakshari mantra. For those who are not practicing Panchadasakshari mantra, we are providing separate mantra. The nyasas and dhyana slokas will be same, but we have to make three corrections that I will explain later. That mantra is Panchadasakshari Shagida Trayambagamartyunjaya mantraha Om Ashya Sri Panchadasakshari Shagida Trayambagamartyunjaya mantrasya Vasishtarisihi Anushtup Chandaha Trayambaga Kameshwari Patirdevataye Namaha Trayam Bijam Bam Om Shaktihi Kam Kilakam Trayambaga Kameshwari Patirdevata Prityartam Jape Viniyogaha. For Anganyasa Karanyasas, we have to use the following 6 aksharas: Ham, Him, Hum, Haim, Haum, Haha. Dhyana sloka. Dhyanam Suddhasphatika Sangasam Subra Badmasanastitam Kabardha Mauli Vilasachandva Kandachudhamradaihi Abhishikta Samastanga Marghed Ghanallochanam Dakshinodvagare Mudram Jnanakyam Tadadakkare Akshamalam Chavamordva Pasham Vedamagakkare Tadhanam Chintaye Dyevam Mrithyuroga Bhayapaham. Mantra for those who are practicing Panchadasakshari mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Kayeyila Hrim Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Hasakahala Hrim Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Sakala Hrim Mrityor Mukshi Amamrita At. Again I am reciting. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Kayeyila Hrim Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Hasakahala Hrim Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Sakala Hrim Mrityor Mukshi Amamrita At. For those who are not practicing Panchadasakshari mantra, this mantra they have to follow. Om Haum Om Jum Saha Bhurbhuvassuvaha Om Trayambakam Yajamaha Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshi Amamrita At. Bhurbhuvassuvarom Jum Saha Haum Om. Again I am reciting. Om Haum Om Jum Saha Bhurbhuvassuvaha Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshi Amamrita At. Bhurbhuvassuvarom Jum Saha Haum Om. So this mantra we can practice 108 times or 1008 times we can practice in the Lingodbhava time. The Lingodbhava time is coming around 11:55 to 2 o'clock you can take. Okay. In the middle, in the Ardha night, Ardha Radri, it is going to come. At that time you can recite this mantra. For those who are not practicing Panchadasakshari mantra, the Sankalpa, the Nyasa Sankalpa, a little bit we are changing it. Om Ashya Sri. We have to leave the Panchadasakshari Sagida, the 2 words, you have to remove it. After that, Trayambaga Mrityunjaya Mantrasya, that you can recite. Then after the Chandaha, Trayambaga Parvati Patir Devataye Namaha. Okay, we have to remove the Kameshwari. In that place, Parvati Patir Devataye Namaha. Like that we have to change it. Trayambaga Parvati Patir Devataye Namaha. Then after the Kam Kilakam, Trayambaga Parvati Patir Devata Prityartam. We have to remove the Kameshwari. In that place, Parvati patir devata prityartham. Like that we have to replace. All the things are same. Okay, so we wish all of you Mahashivratri Prasad. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Shrimatre Namah. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.